am discussing about section 41 under CRPC 1973. Okay, the concept is define the term arrest when a police officer can arrest a person without a warrant or without the order of the magistrate. What are the right of arrested person? Okay, the introduction part of these questions answer. Generally, a person is arrested by the order of the magistrate or by a warrant. Okay, a police officer cannot arrest a person arbitrarily or without the order of magistrate or without warrant. But this rule has few exceptions to it, which mean that under certain circumstances a person can be arrested without an order of a magistrate or without warrant. The arrest without warrant. The section 41 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 provide that a police officer can arrest a person without the order of a warrant of a magistrate or in following circumstances. Number 1, when any person has been concerned in any cognizable offense or against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or a reasonable suspicion exists of his having been so concerned. Okay, number 2 is when any person has been in his possession without lawful excuse any implement of housebreaking. Number 3, when any person in whose possession anything is found which may reasonably be suspected to be stolen property and who may reasonably be suspected of having committed an offences with reference to such things. Okay, number 4 is when any person obstruct a police officer while the execution of his duty or who has escaped or attempt to escape from lawful custody. Number 5 is when any person is reasonably suspected of being a deserter from any of the armed forces of the Union. Number 6 is when any person being a released convict committed a breach of any rule made under subsection 5 section 356. Number 7 is when for any person arrest any requisition whether written or oral has been received from another police officer provided that the requisition specific for the person of to be the arrested. Thus, in this way, a police officer under section 1441 subsection 1 can arrest any person without warrant, without order and without warrant of a magistrate. Okay, the arrest of suspected of habitual offences section 41 subsection 2 provide that the police officer can also arrest any person without order or warrant from the magistrate. Okay. Now, subclause A, who belong to category of suspected offender when under section 1109 of the code. Now, subclause B, who belongs the category habitual offences under section 110 of the code. Arrest or refusal to give name and residence section 42 subsection 1 of the code of criminal procedure provide that the police officer can also arrest any person without warrant or without order from magistrate. Subclause D says that a person who gives a name or residence which such officer has reason to believe to be false residence of such person has been ascertained, then he shall be released on a bond without substitute sureties. The special case is the Vivekanandan versus Emperor. 1941. The arrest of the prevent of cognizable offences. Another situation of the police officer asserting any person without the order of warrant for magistrate has been provided in section 151 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Police officer knowing of a reason to commit any cognizable offences may arrest without order for magistrate and without warrant a person of designing if of appear to such officer that the composition of offences cannot otherwise prevented. Thus the section 151 subsection 1 provide that the police officer the powers to arrest the person without order from the magistrate or without warrant when the generally a person cannot be arrested without order of magistrate and without order of without warrant. Okay, and also important case is this question, A.K. Gopalan versus State, 1962. Right to arrest of person, rights of arrest of person. Okay. Section 41 subclause D says that under the Criminal Procedure Code, number 1 says that when any person is arrested and interrogated by police, he shall be entitled to meet an advocate of his choice during interrogation not throughout interrogation. Okay. Number 2 says that the arrestee has the right to the nominate has relative or any friend for giving information to him about his arrest. Okay, and thank you for watching video.